Welcome to today's video. As you can see by the title, pretty good day. Actually, I just had a trade on the S&P, micro S&P, and I won a trade for $750. But my overall is only what? 652.75 because this morning on London session I also traded and yeah, I lost a 2.5 point trade if I'm not mistaken. Damn, price keeps dropping to previous lows. I could have went for what? 20 points, maybe even 30 points. Well, we did 15 points. So let's not get too greedy. We know that the strategy is working, that it works. What peep the new haircut? A little bit short. Not actually, it's pretty good. All right. So this is the trade I just took. We have our 15-minute zone right here. Damn, let's look at it like that. Yeah, that was the pattern. As we can see, uptrend, and then around 3 it starts going down. No, I'm tripping. Yeah, right around market open, biases switch and the zones show a downtrend. Beautiful, beautiful. So we have our damn 30 points. We just hit 30 points. All right, so we took 50-minute zone right here. Then let's go to our entry with the 5-minute zone right here. So we have a fair value gap. We move down. Whole lot of nothingness, a lot of wicks, so we don't enter. Then right here, we could have lost the trade already if we entered right after. So we have the fair value gap. We have the retest right here. And then we engulf in the same candle. So according to my rules, I could have entered right here. But I didn't because I always want to see when the next candle opens what happens, and it opens and it flies up. Look, we would have gotten stopped out in a second. So it flies up, we create a new low right at 7 points. No, we just create a new low, boom. And then I'm like, you know what? I see this candle forming, and I'm like, I will enter whenever this candle opens. Whenever this candle closes. So it closes, I instantly enter, and right about that, it was about 7 points when I entered. That was that's my maximum stop loss that I'm willing to take. So 7 points perfectly aligned with the previous wick. I enter, boom. I noticed that when I clicked, everybody was like, what's gonna happen? So I enter, go down instantly. I'm like, okay, this is good. At first, let me be honest with you guys, I had just 10 points, just 10 points in mind. But I've been seeing whenever a previous low was breached, that was around here, if I'm not mistaken. Previous low was breached here. So we were literally in, see, open space. So I decided, fuck it. Instead of just going for 10 points, we'll go for 15. But we could have even went for, look, we could have went for 30. We could go for 40. Everything will hit. All these lows are going to get taken out. But anyway, 15 points. I'm happy with that. I've never took a trade bigger than 15 point TP. So yeah, we put the 15 point wiggle, we do a wiggle, 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 and then we go down. Boom. Textbook. Beautiful. That's a textbook trade. That's how we do it. So now let's look at my trade from this morning. Was quite unfortunate, but again, I'm still only taking small trades on London session because I don't want, because it's holding down my what am I saying? My profit percentage, like my trading percentage, my win-loss ratio. So here, textbook, we break outside the 5 minutes to the upside. We even break outside on the fucking 15 minutes. So we have a big fair value gap right about here. We retest it. I enter. We get stopped out. That's it. Sadly, yes. This was the fair value gap, by the way. If we would have taken this fair value gap, yeah, that's besides the point because we didn't take it. So yeah, that was my trade today. We had a beautiful big $750 win, but our daily win is 652. So that's a good day. Proud, happy, composed. There was no adrenaline. My mental state was pretty calm, pretty good, all good. So yeah, that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow, Friday, hopefully with another big trade. Yeah, let's see how far along we are with the challenge. We're currently $1,000 in profit. Beautiful. 2 more to go. Beautiful. So maybe we can get a big trade tomorrow and then pass it next week. What's the PR? Look at this. This is so bad. We are currently at a 16 point. Yeah. That's worries for next week. Let's just get to the 3K and then we'll worry about the fucking wins percentage. The win rate. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.